Alright, Heather, here's your 1/24 scale, 69 Dodge Charger. Obviously, has been painted orange and decaled as General Lee from the Dukes of Hazzard show. You wanted to add a Dixie horn to this, so we did that. And I would have just given it away if I hadn't put the little battery thing in there. And so you wanted that, and also a CB antenna. So I added the antenna for you as well. Hood still opens on this. Of course, the doors don't open. Why would they? It's General Lee, right? You got to go through the window. The trunk does not open either. Now, what I've done on these in the past was actually put the battery inside the interior of the car, which is where the interior is at, on the inside, anyway, in the inside of the car, and you can change it that way. I didn't want to do it this time. It just kind of, I don't know, it's something about, it's weird just sitting in there. So what I did this time was cut away part of the gas tank, and I'll show you that. But the other things I did to this, as you can see, this is usually just painted orange. So I took my Dremel and a little small 1mm bit and took all the paint off of that, so it has the chrome appearance like it does it for real. Also took paint off the door handles, and this front end is actually completely chrome. So I went ahead and blacked out the part that should be blacked out, make it more realistic. What else did we do to this? Gas cap. Oh, the rear end, all of that was orange as well. Orange. So I painted all of it black. Went over with a Dremel, kind of trimmed out the edges of the taillights so they look like they had the chrome trim around those. And of course the door handle on this side. I did that as well. I'm going to see, I've lost a ton of decal files off of my computer, and I'm on a laptop now. I'm going to see if I have, I don't think I do. Well, I know I don't, so I can't get to that file. I had the file for the front and rear license plate for this, but I'll see if I can't find it. I'll get that done before I ship it back to you. But anyway, as far as the horn goes, what I did with this, there's going to be a little piece in here to keep the batteries from making connection. So when you first get it, you're not going to be able to, it won't work. You have to pull that out. So I'll have that stuck in there. But what I did was just cut away the trunk, and that way you can replace the batteries right through the small cutout. Obviously the car will still roll, so there's no problem with that. Just like I said, I want to make it easier to change the batteries out. It should last quite a while. I've heard some customers tell me with a shorter play like this, 200 times they think, so months before they ever replace it. It's not like you're going to sit there and do it all the time. And if you do, the batteries are cheap enough to pick up on eBay. I think I can get like 100 of them for $8 with free shipping, so it's not that big a deal. But we'll go over that real quick. Like I said, all there is one button right here. Nothing hard to do. You just press the button. If that was actually the button, let's try that one more time. So you get the Dixie horn when you press it. Pretty cool. That's all you gotta do. Press it and it stops on its own. Again, the little flexible antenna like you probably saw in one of my other videos. I remember the other thing I did to this. A lot of these cars, I don't know when you get them. I don't know why they have this, but anyway, they're messed up on the inside. They're actually part of that holds the axle in place. So when you first get them, when you set it down, the wheels actually go up here, and it looks like it's a lowrider in the back. I don't know why, like it's got hydraulics on it or something. So I make a little block to put in there so it kind of sits, level. It still looks kind of weird. You don't want to raise it up too high because then it sits like it's jacked up. So anyway, make it a little bit more level versus the way it comes from the factory. I don't know why they do it that way, but anyway, that's the way it is. Let's get out of here, and I won't give you a yeehaw, but I will hit the horn one more time. So there you go. I appreciate it. I'll get that other car, try to get it for you as soon as I can. Like I said, we had a death in the family, so things are behind more than they were to start with. But like I said, it's no one's fault. That can't be helped. It's part of life, obviously, is death. So anyway, we'll get this back to you as soon as we can. Thank you very much.